So hi guys, welcome to my video where I will be reviewing the iPhone 14 Plus today after about 15 days of use. So I did not buy this phone for myself actually. I personally prefer a smaller one, so I use the smaller version of this. But I bought this for my mother who's quite aged, and one thing that I can tell is that this phone is, the UI and UX is really good, and for a person who is aged and who has only used Android phones till date, it has been an extremely easy transition from an Android to an iPhone, and mainly due to the fact that it's a very simple UI. There's nothing much to learn about it. It's very simple, and the UI is really nice. And a couple of things I liked is the 14 Plus has a bigger screen, because especially for people who prefer to have bigger screens but don't really need the Pro version which has an extra camera, because there is no such need in this case. So this is a really helpful model that they have released in iPhone 14 Plus. And the next point is that I really liked the automations in this, because especially we can set the automations for low battery and for full charge, and you don't have to worry about overcharging the phone or anything as such. And the features are really nice to such an extent that you can actually delete all the inbuilt apps. You don't have to even keep any of those apps which are inbuilt. You can delete every single app, and that is something I really liked. And face recognition also really good, such that even with the mask on, it recognizes the person, and you don't have to worry about that will not unlock or anything as such. Because I was kind of skeptical at the beginning, because it does not have a touch, like a fingerprint touch. But definitely this is actually way better than I expected, and it is a really good facial recognition system. And so all in all, it's a very good phone. After 15 days of use, it's very efficient, it's very fast, and I'd say that my mom has loved the phone to a great extent, and especially in terms of UI UX. And another thing is that you can actually customize the back logo, the Apple logo. You can even double tap it to open a camera, or a couple of many features like that. And I would say it is a very good phone, very good buy, and worth it definitely. And I would definitely suggest it to others. So I'll probably give a full review later on, but by first impressions I would say I really love this phone, and my mom has loved it to a great extent. Thank you.